let's go.
You can see the pictures I paint, son. If I ain't the king of New York, then it ain't one.
What's up, YouTube? So today we are going to install the LED headlights on the Jeep Cherokee. So these are the standard halogen lights, nothing special. She just wants to upgrade. She needs it a little brighter. She wants to upgrade a little bit. I know you guys are looking at this hood. Don't worry, a paint job is coming. But today we are focusing on the headlights. This is what she got. Now, truthfully, I think these lights are kind of sexy. Let me see. Let me peel it back a little bit for you guys. Woo! Okay, so they're actually really slim, if you can see it, compared to it. Now, when I get these out, when I go to install it, after I remove that one, I'll put them side by side so you guys can tell the difference. See the difference in the depth, but they will mount the same. I think they're going to look pretty good. Now, they appear to be just plug and play. So this should be a quick video. But I'm also doing the cluster lights on the interior. Now, these type of bulbs, these are LEDs as well. So I just have to take these and insert these into the little sockets here and pop them in. So overall, it's not too much, not too long. I will show you guys the before and after, the difference between the standard light versus the LED lights, even with the headlights. So got the banner up. Look at that right there. I got the banner up. So I'm going to shoot these lights on here. I'm going to black out the whole shop. And we're going to shoot the lights on the banner, the before, then the after. And I'm going to do the same thing with the interior when we get to that point. So on that note, YouTube, let's get to work.